And today on Have a Knife Day, we get another case knife for our collection. Now, while at work, I was at a place called McFadden-Dale. It's kind of like an Ace Hardware and industrial supply store. And from a young age, I remember walking into these places with my dad or my grandfather. And prominently displayed at the checkout is this wonderful display full of case knives. And I would stare at them and wonder. And today I got the wild urge upon me to purchase another case knife. And let's go check this out. Number 00161, Yellow Synthetic Smooth Trapper 3254CV. I have not even opened this up at all myself, besides seeing the one at the display. So let's go ahead and open this up. There it is. That. And here is some more literature. So let's unwrap this knife and see what we got. And here it is. Now this is a 2-blade model. And let's see if I can actually, there we go. Sometimes it doesn't work. There we go. And here are the 2 blades. I'm going to put this right over here. Now this is a trapper. Yellow Synthetic CS Trapper. And the handle is yellow synthetic. The blades, we have a clip and a spay blade. The specs are model 00161. It is a trapper. Kind of gives you the intent for its intended purpose. Handle finish, smooth clip spay, the blade type. Blade lengths are 3.25 inches and 3.27. Non-locking slip joint, a good classic if I say so myself. Blade material is carbon steel. Blade finish, tumble, polish. Close length 4.125 inches. The perfect size to slip into a pocket, weighing in at 4 ounces. And the sheath is sold separately. That's okay. This trapper is part of the yellow synthetic family. The distinctive yellow handle brightens this family while maintaining its toughness, making it one of the most beloved in the case line. The trapper gets its name from the consumer it was designed for because of its basic trapping and skinning blades and its lightweight. It is a must-have knife for those who trap small game or open boxes, no matter what their size. The clip blade is commonly used as a multi-purpose blade and preferred for detail work, while the spade blade is commonly used as an all-purpose utility blade. The knife is fitted with high carbon steel blades known for their high tensile strength, wear resistance, and toughness. Many prefer this steel for its edge retention and ease of resharpening. Since these are not stainless steel blades, a thin coat of oil applied on them after each use can help maintain their original finish. Comes conveniently packaged in a box. That's right. Made in Bradford, PA, USA from domestic and imported materials. And there you go. So I got the bug. I've gotten bitten by the case knives bug. And some of the other knives that have had videos recently done on them are right here. And might as well pull this one out since it is also here. This one is from 1975. I recently did a video of it to show you the size comparison. Let's see if I can get this out. Of course, just remember I do my own stunts. There you go. Just to give you an idea of size. I'm going to go ahead and close this spade blade. This is the 6.5 Bone Stag Hunter. And of course, my first case knife, which is this Russ Lock jigged right here. So we'll put them in accordance to size. And there you go. That's right. So there's just something about a case knife and the slip joints in general that satisfy a classic desire in myself. I don't know about you, but these are classic. They remind me of my grandfather's and of a simpler time of childhood. And what a great thing to add to your collection. I do have some of the cases here. And of course, this one, which the Russ Lock resides within. So, do you have that bug also? Do you have a desire to purchase case knives, to go and search these old small town, well, I don't live in a small town, but to search all of these various hardware stores that maybe find a gem? I suppose that would be a very, very cool thing to be able to do, is to go over to an old hardware store, and over in a dusty corner, you find yourself a display with some old case knives. Suitable to add to your collection, suitable to pass on to future generations, and very relevant to this day. Well, let me know what you have added recently to your case knife slip joint collection. Share any relevant stories that you would desire to do so. And remember, as always, keep it classic, keep it case, and have a knife day. We will all the guns of the forces. Get ready.